Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video you're going to see a day in my life as a CLAT aspirant and a study vlog. So morning I woke up at 6:30 and I got freshened up today, like I did head bath, and at 8:30 I had my breakfast, and after that I quickly started attempting the DPPs like I had didn't attempted when I listened to all the classes. So yeah, these are the scores of my DPPs for legal and logical reasoning. And yeah, after that I quickly wanted to reorganize my room because it's so messy, like everything I left behind yesterday night wasn't good enough, so I started organizing the whole room. And suddenly there's a power cut, and I thought why, and I went outside and it's raining, so I didn't even turn off the video and ran upstairs because there are clothes hanged outside, and I got fully wet. And to discuss about my day till afternoon 2 o'clock, I didn't even touch one subject and I didn't even went into my room. I was just looking at the rain and enjoying myself. And at 2 o'clock I thought let's go back to the room because I have a class at 3 o'clock. So I thought let's just plan out the day and listen to some songs and get on track at 3 o'clock. So I did that, and after that at 3 o'clock I had legal reasoning 4 class, and today it's about law of torts only, but some other topics like remoteness of damages and remedies in torts. And yeah, I completed the notes of the class while listening to it. I just paused sometimes, even when it's a live class, because I don't want to make it after completing the class because I will delay that. So that's why I don't want to make notes after the class. Like the class nearly got ended at 4:30, so I took a break till 5 o'clock because I have class at 5 o'clock, which is English class. And today it's about the tones like negative tone, positive tone, and neutral tones. And I completed with that successfully, and I even made notes out of it while listening to the class itself. And yeah, immediately after completing my class, I attempted the DPPs of legal reasoning 4, the first class, and also the DPP of the English class, and I successfully completed those both, and I scored 10 out of 15 in both the subjects. Because I just now listened to the class, I wanted to know how much I understood, so that I attempted without even revising anything. And I frankly accept my score because it's without any revision, just attending the class and attempting the DPB. So yeah. And after attempting the DPPs and everything, I closed everything and I went to get freshed up at 7:30, and I ate my dinner, and it's me after getting freshed up. Hello all. So I'm back with another video. It's been many days I'm posting since because of I have frequent migraine attacks from few days. So I wanted to cure them so that I didn't give much time on screen. So yeah, I even had some backlog classes. So I wanted to complete them so that I didn't post any of the videos, and I am successfully completed with almost all the backlog classes, and I'm left with one or two, that's it, and I'm happy for that. Now the time is 8:22. I'll go upstairs because it's raining outside from morning, since morning. So now it's not raining, but it's so cool outside. I wanted to go explore some time with myself and come back again and start studying. Now I'm going to start with the February week 1. So I'll see you again after some time. India. Bye bye. So I'm back from terrace. Now I'll start working with the February current affairs. After that, I quickly organized my table so that I can get ready with the February backlog session. So I turned on my laptop, kept the class which I wanted to hear, and I hopefully completed this February week 1 current affairs. And I also wanted to start with the February week 2, but time is almost 11 o'clock, so I thought let's do it tomorrow, and I postponed the work to tomorrow. And for today, there is nothing much to share about, and hopefully, I completed all the tasks and I'm better than every day, and I'm happy for that. And this is the notes of my current affairs of February week 1. That's it for today's video. See you again super soon with another video tomorrow, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care everyone. Bye bye.